We've talked about structuring and what a good personal statement structure looks like. Let's go into outlining now. The way I think about the outline of your personal statement is that it's pretty much the roadmap, okay, for the personal statement. It's the plan before the execution, the plan before the writing. It's kind of like when you get into a car, if you have maps, for example, Google Maps open, and you know where you want to go and you know how you're going to get there, versus getting into your car and just driving around randomly, hoping to get to where you want to get to. The outline includes a few different components. It's essentially going to be 4 or 5 sentences, and that's it, because it's just an outline. It starts off with the thesis, which again is the one sentence which explains what you want to study in university and why. And then it's going to include the topic sentence for each of the body paragraphs that you want to write. And the first body paragraph will have a topic sentence that should describe your passion for the course and your understanding of it. Why are you passionate about what you want to study? What do you understand about this subject? Tell me more about how you developed a passion. Your second body paragraph will start off with a topic sentence that describes how your academics make you suitable for the course, just as we saw earlier in the Stutter personal statement. The third body paragraph will start off with a topic sentence that describes how your extracurriculars or work experience make you suitable for the course and how they prepare you for life in university. And finally, your last body paragraph should talk about how you'll contribute to the advancement of the university and its student body, meaning what are you going to contribute to the student population around you? And this is for international students. This is where you can also cover why you want to study in the UK and how it's going to benefit the students in your population. Let's go back to the Stutter personal statement and let's break it down and look at what the outline looks like. What you see in white is the actual outline of the personal statement, and what you see in yellow is sort of what each of these sentences are actually saying. So again, the thesis was, I'm applying to study writing in university because I'm passionate about the subject and wish to contribute to society as an author. What the applicant is telling the university here is, hey, I'm passionate and well-suited to study writing at your university, and it matches with my career aspirations. The first topic sentence is, I had always been an avid reader as a child. I was extroverted in nature, befriending everybody at school. And here the applicant is essentially saying, let me tell you the story about how I fell in love with writing. The second topic sentence is, because of this personal experience, I have dedicated my academic coursework to writing. And again, what the applicant's telling the university here is, my academics demonstrate my passion and aptitude for writing. The third topic sentence is, writing has also been the central theme of my extracurricular activities. And here the applicant saying that my extracurricular activities demonstrate my leadership and passion for writing. And finally, the last topic sentence says, studying in university is critical to achieving my dream of becoming a fiction author. And what he's saying here is that studying writing is important to my future professional plans, and I have lots to contribute to your university. So an outline is very short. It's thesis, 4 topic sentences. So in total, it's 5 sentences, and that's it. And that's the plan. That's the roadmap for the rest of the personal statement. You should spend 20 minutes now. Take that time to write out the outline of your personal statement. And again, it'll include the thesis, which should describe what you want to study in university and why. The first topic sentence, which is what you're telling us more about your interest in the course. The second topic sentence, which is you telling us about your academics and how they make you suitable for the course. The third topic sentence is telling us how your extracurriculars or work experience make you suitable for the course. And the last one is telling us how you'll contribute to your university environment, and ideally maybe mention your international background. And if you want, you can talk about your future aspirations, your professional aspirations. So spend the next 20 minutes to write these 5 sentences down, and then you'll have an outline.